Hello lovely people, I welcome you back to this channel. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, hit the notification button, and then like us so that we can grow this particular channel. Please try and share this video for others to also benefit. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock an Excel sheet without using a password. It's so simple, but please take notes, follow the instructions, and you're good to go. Now let's open this particular file. There is a file extension with two sheets. Of the two sheets, sheet 1 is protected, sheet 2 is not protected. So let's take for instance we have protected our sheet. So let's say sheet 1. If we try to edit it, it will tell you that the sheet is protected. But when you go to sheet 2, you can do any editing that you want to do in your sheet 2. So you have the data here, you want to edit it, but you have lost your password. So I'm going to teach you how to unlock the password. So please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button, like us, and give us your comments. So let's roll. So let's close this app. But with these steps, you need to get a WinRAR app, a zip app, an app that can unzip your file. So that's what we will be using. So if you don't have it, kindly get one and then install. Okay, so the first you're going to do, you're going to get a copy of our file. The reason being that if in case the process fails, we will still have our file, our data intact. So let's create a copy. Control plus V, Control plus C to copy, and Control plus V to paste. So we are going to work on the original one, and then the copied one will be our standby, our backup. So with the original one, if your file is not showing the file extension, please follow this step. Go to view, then go to show, and then take the file name extension. You're going to see the file extension there. So there's the file extension. We are going to change the file extension to zip file .zip. So let's rename it, and then let's delete the extension and type zip, then hit on enter. So click on yes. Okay, so now you can see that the file extension is now zipped. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. Let's go to our WinRAR app. Let's open our WinRAR app, and then let's locate our file. So our file is in let me confirm. Okay, so it is in local D to do. Okay, so let me go there and then search for a file. Okay, so this is the file. So this is the file. This is a zip file. So let's double click on the zip file to open. So when you want to open it in the zip file, you locate the folder called XL. So click on Excel, then you locate the folder for the worksheet. So click on worksheet. So that in the worksheet we are having two worksheets. The sheet 1 was the one with the protection. So let's click on it to open it because it's an XML file. So it will open in a browser. Okay. So you can see this messy thing here. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to search and see where our protection sheet is, or we want to confirm whether the sheet that we are going to work on is the protected sheet. So let's click on Control plus F, then we type protect. We want to search, so protect, hit on enter. So you can see that the sheet is protected, so that's why we are seeing this protection here. Okay, so let's check the other one and see. Let's check the other one, the sheet 2, and see if you can also see the same thing there. So that one to let's search protect. So let's search protect. So the moment you see that when you try to type enter, nothing is showing because the protected sheet, there is nothing protected in this sheet. So you see that nothing is showing. That means sheet 2 is the correct one that we are going to, sorry, sheet 1 is the correct one we are going to unprotect. So we have selected the correct one. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to copy this particular file, that's the sheet 1 file, to our desktop or any other folder. So I prefer to send to our desktop. So let's click and drag to our desktop to create a copy of it on our desktop. So let's minimize this. So this is the file that we just copied. So let's reopen it or open it with a text editor. So we're going to use Notepad. So let's open it in Notepad. So let me enlarge it. Okay, so don't worry if you are seeing this thing, you are on the right path. So this is what we are going to search for the keyword protect. So Ctrl plus F again, then you type protect. So you can see that we have an inscription here, protect. So what we are going to do now is we are going to select, you see that from the protect, you see that there's a sheet protection. We're going to select from where the anchor bracket starts to when it closes. So let's place our mouse cursor at the beginning and then select from there till we get to where it closes. So the first line, nothing is there. So you take your time in doing this. Make sure you do this thing correctly, or else you're going to mess everything. Okay, so you can see that this is where it ends. So if you look through, you're going to see that you're not going to see any anchor bracket anywhere. So this is where it ends. So you select the whole area, then you click on backspace. Good. So now you have deleted that portion. Then you click on Ctrl S to save, or you go to File, then you go to Save. Okay, so now you have saved it. Our editing, you have saved our editing. So let's go back to our WinRAR. Now we want to bring the sheet 1 back to our folder. So this is what we are going to select the original one that we copied, then we delete. So let's select it and click on the delete button here to delete. Click on yes. Then we click on the particular file that we copied to desktop that we just edited. We drag it back to the Excel file. Okay, so just click on OK. Good. So now we have the sheet 2 now imported back. Okay, so now this is what we are going to do. Now we can close our zip or WinRAR app. So let's go to the folder, and then the file that we just edited. So this is the file that we're working on. So now we're going to change the file back to the Excel format. So let's rename it and then type .xlsx. That's the original file extension that it was in. Then hit on enter. So it will tell you to click on yes or no. So click on yes. Good. I can see that the file has now changed back to our original file extension. So let's open it again and see if the protection is still on. Okay, so now this is the sheet 1 is here. So double click on it, you see that it's now giving you access to do the editing. Good. So that is how to protect your sheet without a password. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give us thumbs up, subscribe, and try to share this video for us. Please share this video so that we grow this channel and we are going to give you more educative content. See you in our next tutorial. Bye bye.